In this morning's Money Watch, shipping delays are getting worse for the agricultural industry.
Yeah, and rising mortgage rates could derail the red-hot housing market. Jane King live in New York following these stories for us and more. Good morning, Jane.
Hi, Margaret and Michelle. Good morning. Although these mortgage rates are still historically very, very low, but they have been rising. So, in fact, further above 3% last week, according to Freddie Mac. So, the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is 3.14%. That's for the week that ended October 28th. 4 months ago, that mortgage rate was 2.65%. That was the lowest since Freddie Mac started keeping track of this back in 1971. Well, lost crops, high costs, delays plaguing California's agricultural exports, and in fact, many other states as well. Now, the congestion has rippled through the goods movement chain. It's slowed growers trying to get their products out of the country, and that is hurting grower profits. And the U.S. oil rig count is headed higher as oil prices rise. Baker Hughes says there were 2 new rigs drilling for oil last week. That's an indication of more gas production due to the rising price. And the Dow and S&P 500 closed at records to start the month of November. Small companies had their best day since August yesterday on the stock market. Today, quiet. We have a 2-day Federal Reserve meeting gets underway today, and so we could have a couple of quiet days ahead. Live from the NASDAQ market site, I'm Jane King. Back to you.
Yeah, it seems like we're seeing a lot of delays in simply pretty much every category across the board. Thanks, Jane. We'll check back in.